Today's session we are going to see operating ratio. Page number 369, problem number 10. Cost of goods sold 7 lakh, operating expenses 60,000, sales 10 lakhs, sales return 60,000. Calculate operating ratio. Operating ratio is equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales into 100. First step, calculation of net sales. Sales minus sales return. 10 lakhs minus 60,000 is equal to 9,40,000. Next step, calculation of operating ratio. Cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales into 100. Cost of goods sold 7 lakh plus operating expenses 60,000 divided by net sales 9,40,000 into 100. Operating ratio is equal to 80.85%. Page number 370, problem number 12. Following is a trading and profit and loss account of Noha firm for the year ended 31st of March 2020. Trading account and profit and loss account is given. You are supposed to calculate operating ratio. Solution: operating ratio is equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales into 100. Cost of goods sold is equal to sales minus gross profit, 4,20,000 minus 2,02,000. Therefore, cost of goods sold is equal to 2,18,000. Now we are going to calculate operating ratio. Cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by net sales into 100. Cost of goods sold is 2,18,000 plus operating expenses 12,000 and 14,000, that is administrative expenses plus selling and distribution expenses, divided by sales into 100. Therefore 2,44,000 divided by 4,20,000 into 100. So the answer is 58.09%.